Hello and welcome to another round of Ask the Expert. Today we have a question on sunlight. Rolf asks, how does sunlight affect the lifespan of the speaker chassis, the speaker drivers, if the speakers are operated without a cover grill? That's a really good question actually, because sunlight can damage almost everything in the world. So what actually happens to a speaker when sunlight is hitting the speaker? And interestingly, it's mostly actually cosmetic wear. So the sunlight, the UV light, and just the power of light that comes from the sun might wear out the colors of the cabinet and also the colors of the drivers. So it might look more bleak or washed out if it stands in direct sunlight. But actually, it usually does not have that much effect on the acoustic performance. So even though it looks washed out, usually it's not a problem for the sound performance. And one proof of that is that we have designed our speakers in a very similar way for more than 40 years now. So we have a history of making that type of speaker, that process of speaker building for several decades. So if you look at how are those speakers actually working today, a lot of you are still using those speakers to play music and enjoying them very much. So that's basically proof that in terms of acoustics, it's not the biggest problem in the world. So actually sunlight itself might not be the direct problem, but the heat generated from the sunlight might be, especially paired with the humidity of the room. So if you have a very dry room and the drivers are heated up by sunlight or just in general standing next to hot things, that actually might impact the rubber of the woofers and the coating of the tweeters. So that drying out will impact the sound a little bit. It's normally not catastrophic, but it does have an impact to the performance. An issue you might consider when you're discussing should I have the grill on or not in sunlight is that, like I said, the sunlight will impact the finish of the speaker. It will wash out the finish of the cabinet. So if you have a grill on, then the cabinet will be affected differently behind the grill and outside of the grill. So that's something you have to consider. But all in all, the sunlight doesn't really affect the sound quality as much. It is mostly about preserving the looks of the speaker. So sunlight in general is something that, if possible, you should try to avoid. But you can still listen to your speaker.